Hi guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious Cosmopolitan. We teamed up with Sapling, which is a really cool brand from England. They plant trees, hence the name Sapling. Very sustainable company, and they make a delicious vodka. So in the video, you're going to see how to make that classic drink step by step.
Hi guys, it's Kay back here at TT Liquor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Cosmo or a Cosmopolitan, real classic vodka cocktail. Just going to fill that with some crushed ice and pop it to one side to let it chill. And the first ingredient that we need for a Cosmo, very importantly, is some vodka. We're using this lovely Sapling Vodka, which is as good for the environment as it is to drink. Now, we want 35 mils of our vodka. Next thing going in here is going to be some triple sec, and we want about 15 mils of our Cointreau. Next thing in here to give our Cosmo its distinct pinky colour is going to be some cranberry juice. And just like the triple sec, we want about 15 mils of our cranberry juice. Now I want 25 mils or about a shot of my lime juice, and squeeze the juice right into here. Pop that in there with my other ingredients. Now I'm just going to go ahead and fill this tin up with cubed ice. Whack my other tin on top at a bit of an angle, and we'll give this a shake for around about 15 to 20 seconds. Here we go. Beautiful. So we'll crack that open. I'll get rid of the ice in my Nicanora glass here, give it a little shake to get rid of any excess water. I'm going to double strain this cocktail. So I'm going to take my Hawthorne strainer, pop it in the tin, and then grab my fine mesh strainer and just hold that over the glass and pour the drink through both. And finally, for a garnish on our Cosmo, we want a nice little bit of orange peel. So I've got an orange here. We'll give this a little twist over the top of the drink just to expel some of those oils. And I'll rub it around the rim of the glass as well. We'll pop that in there, and that is our Cosmo ready to drink.